Hey, it's Mike over at Mortgage Avenue. This video, I thought we'd talk about Fannie Mae's new program that's coming out June 7th, and it's called Refi Now. This program will make it easier for eligible low-income borrowers to refinance their loans. It's designed for borrowers that have a loan backed by Fannie Mae and a current income at or below 80% of the area median income. Well, if you'd like to know if you meet that criteria, you can go to Fannie Mae's website at ami-lookup-tool.fanniemae.com or message me and I can certainly let you know if you qualify or not. The beauty of this program is there was a fee that came out back in late 2020 called an adverse market fee, which cost consumers 0.5% to refinance. This program waives that fee if you meet the requirements like the median income, your mortgage amount can't exceed $300,000. You can't have more than 1 times 30 in your mortgage in the last 12 months. If you meet those criteria, then the beauty of this program is you're not paying that 0.5 adverse market fee. In addition to this, it'll allow you to roll in your closing costs, and it will give you appraisal credit up to $500. Now, if you'd like to see if you can qualify for this program or you have questions about it, I'm here to help. Love the opportunity to allow you to still take advantage of these lower interest rates. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.